Hi viewers, how are you all? In this session, let us see Lok Sabha. The members of Lok Sabha are elected directly by the peoples. Those members of the Lok Sabha are elected directly by the peoples. So it is known as the House of People. On that cause, it is known as a House of Peoples. The maximum number of the seats is 545. Here we see that the maximum number of the seats in Lok Sabha is 545. In that 545, we see that 543 members are directly elected by the peoples. Those 543 members are directly elected by the peoples through the election, whereas the two Anglo-Indians are nominated by President. In this, we see the two Anglo-Indians are nominated here. 79 seats are reserved for the scheduled caste and 41 seats are reserved for scheduled tribes. Here we see that 79 seats are reserved for scheduled caste and 41 seats are reserved for scheduled tribes. Here we see that Lok Sabha, the member of the Lok Sabha are elected directly by the peoples. It is known as the House of Peoples. The maximum number of the seats are 545 and 543 members are directly elected by their provinces, and where the two Anglo-Indians are nominated by the President, and 79 seats are reserved for the scheduled caste and 41 seats are reserved for scheduled tribes. Those are all the brief introductions related to Lok Sabha. Now let us see term of office. After that we see the qualification of members to become Lok Sabha member. Now let us start with the term of office. The Lok Sabha members are elected for a term of 5 years. Its term is 5 years. In the Rajya Sabha we see that their term is 6 years. Here we see in Lok Sabha their term is 5 years. However, on the recommendation of Prime Minister, the President may dissolve the Lok Sabha. During the emergency, the term may extend it for 1 year. The term of office of Lok Sabha members are only 5 years, and on the recommendation of Prime Minister and President, it may dissolve. During the emergencies, the term may extend it for 1 year. Now let us see, as I already told, that qualification of members. Our first qualification is he should be a citizen of India. One who want to nominated in the Lok Sabha election, he should be citizen of our India. Our second qualification is he must not be less than 25 years of age. He must be complete 25 years. Our third qualification is he should not hold any office of profit under the government. He should not hold any office of profit. He should not work under any government office. Our fourth qualification is he should not be a person of unsound mind. He should not be involved in any illegal activities. Our fifth qualification is he should not have been punished under the law. Our sixth qualification is he should possess qualification as a specific by Parliament from the time to time. Those are all the qualifications required to become a Lok Sabha member. If you have any queries regarding this, comment below. Thank you for watching this.